Ever look out at your lawn and think, there's no way I'm mowing all of that with a push mower? If you have a large yard, you know exactly what I'm talking about. What starts as a simple weekend chore can quickly turn into hours of walking, sweating, and wishing you were doing literally anything else. That's where a great riding lawn mower changes everything. You cover more ground, finish faster, and honestly, mowing becomes a lot more enjoyable. So today we're counting down the top 5 best riding lawn mowers you can buy right now. From affordable residential favorites to powerful machines built to tackle serious acreage. And trust me, the number one pick feels less like a lawn mower and more like a premium piece of equipment. Links to every mower are down below. Let's get started. At number 5, the Troy-Bilt Pony 42. If you're upgrading from a push mower for the first time, this is one of the best places to start. The Pony 42 combines a reliable engine with a 42-inch cutting deck that's ideal for small to medium-sized properties. What makes it so appealing is simplicity. The controls are easy to understand. The ride is comfortable, and maneuvering around landscaping, trees, and tight corners feels surprisingly easy. Even if you've never owned a riding mower before, you'll feel comfortable within minutes. Despite its budget-friendly price, it still delivers clean and consistent cutting performance. For homeowners looking for value, comfort, and capability in one package, the Pony 42 is an excellent choice. At number 4, the Cadet XT1 Enduro Series LT 42. This mower is all about refinement. There's a reason the XT1 has become one of the most popular riding mowers on the market. It simply does a lot of things well. The engine delivers plenty of power, while the responsive steering makes navigating around obstacles feel easy and controlled. But the biggest advantage is comfort. The seat is supportive, the controls are well positioned, and longer mowing sessions feel far less tiring than many competing models. The 42-inch cutting deck also strikes a great balance between mowing efficiency and maneuverability. Everything feels solid, durable, and built to last. For homeowners who want a more premium mowing experience without stepping into commercial-grade pricing, the XT1 is a fantastic option. At number 3, the John Deere S140. When it comes to lawn care equipment, few names carry as much trust as John Deere, and the S140 shows exactly why. This mower combines dependable performance, excellent build quality, and a user-friendly design that makes mowing feel effortless. The 48-inch cutting deck helps cover more ground with each pass, making it especially useful for larger properties. Meanwhile, the hydrostatic transmission provides smooth speed control without constant shifting. But what really stands out is reliability. Year after year, these machines continue performing with minimal drama. The maintenance points are easy to access, the ride quality is comfortable, and the overall ownership experience is one of the best in its class. If dependability is your top priority, the S140 deserves serious attention. At number 2, the Ryobi RY48111 electric riding mower. Now we're looking at something completely different. Unlike traditional gas-powered models, the Ryobi RY48111 runs entirely on battery power. That means no gas, no oil changes, and significantly less maintenance. But don't mistake electric for underpowered. This mower delivers impressive cutting performance while operating much more quietly than traditional competitors. The instant torque makes acceleration smooth and responsive, and the controls feel modern and intuitive. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. Simply charge it, press a button, and start mowing. For homeowners who want modern technology and low maintenance ownership, this is one of the most innovative riding mowers available today. But taking the number 1 spot, the Husqvarna TS 354XD. This mower is built for people who take lawn care seriously. From the moment you see it, the heavy-duty construction stands out. Everything feels solid, durable, and designed for long-term performance. The fabricated cutting deck delivers excellent cutting quality, while the powerful engine handles thick grass with ease. But what really separates the TS354XD from the competition is versatility. This machine does much more than mow. It handles large properties efficiently, works well with attachments, and remains comfortable during long sessions. The steering feels responsive. The ride quality is excellent. So, which riding mower would you choose? The affordable Troy-Bilt Pony 42? The dependable John Deere S140? The innovative Ryobi electric mower? Or the powerful Husqvarna TS 354XD at number 1? Drop your pick in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more outdoor equipment and tool reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.